Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share with you guys some amazing happy mail that I received from my friend Kat, who is LollyThimble here on YouTube. Hi Kat. I received this probably about a week and a half ago, I want to say. I'm just now getting around to filming this, so I do apologize, Kat, for delaying this unveiling of a beautiful, beautiful handiwork. So I just wanted to come on and share with you guys what she created. So here is the card that she made me. Isn't this so adorable? And it is like an action wobble. And the cute thing is she actually made it herself, if you see that, using a pipe cleaner. And that is so genius. And of course, she wrote me a really thoughtful and lovely letter. I love reading the letters that she takes the time to write me. So thank you so much, Kat. Here is the inside. So, so cute. And look how amazing her handwriting is. I wish mine looked like that. So I did unpackage everything already. And this is the next item that she sent me. It had this super cute little Happy Valentine's Day. And I think it might have been wrapped with this seam binding bow. And can you guys see how perfect her bows are? And this super cute like confetti tissue paper. Look how cute this is. I love it. It's like one of those plastic, I don't know if it's an ornament. I've seen candy and things like this before, but of course she made it all blue, my favorite color, and it's as beautiful on the front or the back. And she has a whole bunch of yummy, yummy stuff on the inside here. There's this little strip that says kisses all the way down. There's glitter, and her layering is just impeccable. Isn't that so pretty? So I can't wait to hang that up in my craft room. And then she sent something for my birthday. And let me just tell you, I was in shock when I opened it. Let me show you. Hopefully I can get her in screen. I don't think I can. But it's a Tilda doll. I cannot believe you made this for me, Kat. I was so touched and floored when I opened this. But I've actually never made one of these before. And I'm pretty sure she created the entire outfit. It even has like pantaloons. Look. And that actually looks like Tilda fabric. So I don't know if that's what you used, but look at the detail. And I'm so sorry about not being able to get this all in frame. I mean, with the lace edging here, cute little ballet slippers. I love this and am so, so touched that you spent all this time creating this for me. I am so blessed to have someone like you in my life, and I'm just at a loss. But I will display her proudly in some part of my craft room once I make some space, but I absolutely love it. I will have some pictures of this beauty at the end because I cannot get it all in frame. But she also included this little hanger, which is genius, so that I can hang her like on a wall, which is what I probably will do. But thank you so, so much, Kat, for thinking of me. This was such a sweet surprise, and I just love it so much. So I will have a link to Kat's channel in the description box below. Please go over and show her some love. I mean, look at what she creates. Absolutely beautiful. So thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much, Kat. I heart you. Bye, everyone.